Well, it had a little crash damage. Couldn't figure out why my video wasn't working. And let me shed a little more light over here. The JST plug was broken off of the board, and yeah, it took the power trace off with it. And it took the audio trace off of it. So yeah, my hands are a little shaky here. Trying to get these tiny little wires in is not easy. But as you can see, I soldered the wires up and it's working. And 5-volt out is working too. I got a 3S power in it, and it's working. So yeah, it takes some time. Got to use headset magnifier plus a pair of glasses, and just take your time, and got to use the helping hands too with the solder, fine tip soldering iron. All good now. Clean my wounds.